Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing the infamous feathery fluffy brow using the GOT2B glued sculpting hair gel. So let's get right into it. I want to start to brush all of your hairs upward, okay? Just start to brush all of the hairs. Start to really brush those hairs upward. And then what I like to do is I like to take the back of the spoolie and just press the hairs into place. Because it's kind of hard to do it with your fingers. Just press them into place. And then you're gonna take the front of your spoolie and you're gonna see the hairs that are kind of like longer than the rest. You're gonna kind of wanna not push them all the way down, but just kind of lead them to like a bit of an arch so that your eyebrows do have shape. And that's what I do. And that's the first step. And you could already see how much of a difference it is compared to this one. Like it kind of like gives your face like a facelift. Like she's snatched, she's ready to go, she's sculpted, she's been drinking celery juice. And as you can see, they are lifted high to the sky. And like, this is like glue. Like I need you guys to know that this is literally like glue. Like you can feel it on your brows and it's not like something where it's like, oh, I don't even know it's there. Like you know that it's there. You don't want to fill them in. Just how lifted the brows are, how they're in place. Like my brows are literally hard. It's kind of a weird sensation. So if you are gonna use a pen like this, you kind of have to work quickly. You know, do one brow at a time, fill it in, work it, because once it dries, it's kind of hard to get in there and define your brows with a pen like this. The GOT2B glued on your brows is a game changer. It, like, if you struggle with your brows falling throughout the day, like, you will use this and you will never, ever have your brows fall ever again. It's literally glue. Like, it's literally glue. But I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe. I make new videos every week. And I will see you guys in my next video.